Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best console lid is probably one of the most overlooked components in your 2005 Silverado, but trust me, it's a game changer. Over time, the original lid can wear out, crack, or simply become uncomfortable. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of replacement console lids, exploring different materials, designs, and features to help you find the perfect upgrade for your truck. Get ready to say goodbye to that worn-out lid and hello to comfort and style. Number 5. SCITOO Center Console Lid Replacement Kit. Is your center console looking a little worse for wear? This replacement kit is designed to restore it to its former glory. It's an easy fix that will make a big difference in your car's interior. This center console lid is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It fits models from Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, to Cadillac Escalade. Check the list to see if it fits your car. Made from high-quality microfiber leather, this lid is built to last. It's more durable and easier to clean than real leather. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes. This replacement lid is designed to match the original equipment manufacturer's specifications. It will blend perfectly with your car's interior. The package includes all necessary hardware. Installing this lid is a breeze. You can replace your old armrest in under 10 minutes. Simply remove the old cover and snap the new one in place using the original screws. What we like. This lid is made of durable microfiber leather, offering a premium feel and long-lasting wear. It's designed to match your vehicle's interior perfectly, thanks to its OEM fit. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. If you are looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-install replacement that looks great, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lid fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product was exactly what I needed and was a perfect fit. The console lid was a perfect match. Number 4. AA Ignition Center Console Lid Replacement Kit. The center console lid is a common feature in many vehicles, providing storage and an armrest. Over time, the factory lid can crack or break from wear and tear. This kit offers a complete replacement. This kit is designed to replace the center console lid in various Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac models. It fits vehicles like the Silverado, Avalanche, Tahoe, Suburban, and Yukon. Check the full list to see if it fits your car. This replacement kit is a direct fit and replaces part numbers 924 to 811, 19127364, 19127365, and 19127366. It's located between the driver and passenger seats. While not an OEM part, it's a perfect replacement. Made from high-quality plastic, this lid kit is built to last. Installation is simple and requires no special tools. Just remove the old lid, install the hinge, and slide the metal rod back in. This center console armrest lid kit comes with a lifetime warranty. If it ever fails or breaks, contact us for a replacement. Save money by purchasing this part and installing it yourself, and take advantage of our lifetime warranty. What we like. This kit comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind. It offers OEM fit and quality, guaranteeing a perfect match for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, requiring no special tools. If you value long-term protection and a hassle-free installation, then this is the one for you. What people say. The lid fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product was an exact match and the color was perfect. The console lid looks and works great. Number 3. EcoAuto Center Console Lid Replacement Kit. Ensure a perfect fit by checking the Amazon Parts Finder. Select your vehicle's year, make, and model to confirm compatibility. This ensures the replacement lid integrates seamlessly. This console lid is designed as a direct replacement for OEM part 19127364. It fits all classic body-style GM vehicles. This part offers a perfect and affordable solution. Constructed from high-quality PU and ABS plastic, it ensures durability and longevity. The replacement lid latch is built to last, providing lasting comfort. Replace your worn-out console lid in under 10 minutes. No special tools are needed. The kit can be installed single-handedly with basic tools. This replacement lid features a top padded lid and bottom cover with built-in foam. It secures the lid tightly, eliminating unwanted noise. It matches the vehicle's interior perfectly. The kit includes all necessary hardware, springs, and hinge pins. It replaces OEM parts 19127364, 19127365, and 19127366. Get everything you need for a complete replacement. What we like. This console lid is constructed from high-quality PU and ABS plastic materials, ensuring durability and longevity. It is designed for easy installation, taking only minutes. The secure fit eliminates unwanted noise. If you want a durable, easy-to-install solution that provides a quiet ride, then you should consider this. What people say. The lid fits and functions perfectly. Excellent quality and quick delivery. Fits great. Number 2. OCPTY Center Console Lid Repair Kit. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including GMC Sierra, Silverado, and Cadillac Escalade models. It's a direct fit, ensuring easy installation without any modifications needed. This makes it a convenient solution for your car. The package includes everything you need for a secure installation. You'll find the center console cover lid, retaining pin, springs, and spring retainer. No tools or adhesives are required, making the process straightforward. Installation is a breeze, you just need to remove the old armrest and install the new one. The back plate installs on the underside of the center console lid, concealing the hinges. This ensures a clean and professional look. Made from synthetic leather, vinyl, with an ABS base plate, this cover offers a soft, clean, and comfortable feel. The material provides better thickness, uniformity, and higher tier strength. This ensures durability and longevity. This cover provides full protection to your center console lid armrest. It's wide enough to cover the entire top of your console lid. It also provides a warm and pleasing feeling for your daily life. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary hardware for a secure installation. It's designed for easy, no-fuss installation, with no drilling required. The synthetic leather provides a comfortable feel. If you are looking for a complete, easy-to-install kit that enhances comfort, then it's a great choice. What people say. The lid fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product was exactly what I needed and the color matched perfectly. The console lid was a perfect fit and matched the original factory color. Number 1. EcoAuto Armrest Kit for Chevy Silverado 1500. Tired of a worn-out armrest? This kit is designed to replace your old one. It's a direct replacement, making your driving experience more comfortable. This armrest kit fits Chevy Silverado 1500, Chevrolet Avalanche, Tahoe, GMC Sierra, Yukon, and Cadillac Escalade models from 2000 to 2006. It's made to fit perfectly, just like the original. Installation is a breeze. No modifications are needed. The kit includes everything you need, such as rods and springs, for a quick and easy setup. This armrest is made to last. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your OEM part, ensuring durability and a perfect fit. You can trust its quality. The package includes one console lid armrest cover and all necessary accessory parts. Get everything you need in one convenient package to upgrade your vehicle. What we like. This lid is designed as a direct replacement for your OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit. It is easy to install, with no modifications needed. It includes the rod and springs for a complete solution. If you like a simple, all-in-one solution for your console lid replacement, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lid fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product was exactly what I needed and was a perfect fit. The console lid looks great and is a perfect match. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.